Here again we are in another pen house, and they're all the same age. They will be 4 weeks by tomorrow, Tuesday. They'll be 4 weeks tomorrow. Now, as at this morning, they're weighing 1.5, some a little more than that, some a little below 1.5, but majority are in the 1.5 bracket, and that is far uh, above the book uh, value. So we are like several days above. You can see them. We use two different kind of booster for them. The first, which I have taught in the class online and also came on the practical, and then the second one we just added. So the first one is from animal source, the second one is from plant source. Both of them are very, very safe. No steroid, no chemical. Thank you. So this is really, really amazing, because by tomorrow 4 weeks, I'm expecting some to have gotten to 1.6. So meaning that before this weekend now, 2 kg by God's grace is guaranteed. I have quite a lot of them to be 2 kg. Then by next week, I think we are good to go to sell, which will be not even 5 weeks completely. Thank you, and bye-bye.